Welcome to our first movement sequence for energy. I'm Ed Daly, Director of Holistic Development for Young Living Essential Oils, and this sequence is specifically meant to raise the body's energy levels. By utilizing simple movement sequences, we begin to understand that just movement can help us out. We're going to use our first essential oil. We're going to use Awakening. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to start there. We're going to give a drop of Awakening to Gail. It's one of my favorite blends, and I'm not in a rush to pour it out. I just let it come out on its own. And I'm going to ask Haley and Gail to go ahead and just, again, standing in mountain pose, just begin to take in the aroma of this amazing blend. In as little as 5 to 10 minutes a day, everyone, by combining an essential oil, an oil blend, with some movement, you can raise the body's vibration. Once we've done that for about 30 seconds, I'm going to ask Gail and Haley to stand with their feet about hip-width distance apart. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just bend our knees, and we're going to take our hands to the top of our thighs. And as you do that, just feeling the weight evenly on both feet, and then go ahead and straighten the legs. Keep your hands at the top of those thighs, everyone. Bend the knees again. And then straighten the legs. Again, bending the knees one more time. This time, inhale the arms up over the head. Beautiful. Straighten the legs, relax the arms to the side. So the inhalation, we raise the arms up over the head. The exhalation, we bend the knees. The inhalation, we come up and we do a little bit of a back bend and look up. Exhale, release the arms down to the side. Let's do that again. Inhale the arms up over the head. Legs strong, arms fully extended, breath easy. Exhale, bend the knees. Again, the gaze is soft. On an inhalation, we come up and we do a little bit of a back bend again, looking up. Exhale, release the arms down to the side. Let's do that for a minute on your own. I'll talk you through it. Again, the movement sequence is meant to raise the energy. Inhale the arms up over the head. Beautiful. Exhale, bend the knees. And maybe you go down a little bit lower, lowering that buttocks to the ground. On an inhalation, come up, do a little bit of a back bend. Good. Exhale, release the arms down to the side. Inhale the arms up over the head. Exhale, bend the knees. This time, look forward, look towards the ceiling slightly. As you inhale, come up and do a little bit more of a back bend this time. Exhale, release the arms down to the side. One more time. Inhale to here. This time, look up. Look up. Exhale, bend the knees. Drop the gaze softer towards the ground. Inhale, come up and do a little bit of a back bend. Exhale, release the arms down to the side. I'm going to step back just a little bit. And what we're going to do, we're just going to raise the arms up over the head and lower them down. Lift them up, lower them down. Almost like you have a ball lifting up, lowering it down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. One more time. Up and down. Last time. Up. Hold it here. Hold it here. Look up. Strengthen the legs. Strengthen the legs. Strengthen the legs. Good. Exhale. Release the arms down to the side. All right, this next one involves our arms and our legs. So I'm going to have Gail and Haley raise the arms up over the head and just begin marching in place. Just begin marching in place. Now we want the knees to come up as high as you can. So I'm going to have them march. They're going to look straight forward, lifting the knees as high as they can. And now imagine that you had to walk a little faster. So let's pick up the pace a little bit. Pick up the pace. Pick up the pace a little faster. A little faster. A little faster. Now slow it down again. Slow it down again. Good. And then release the arms down to the side. Beautiful. Inhale the arms up over the head. Exhale, bend the knees. Inhale, come on up and do a little bit of a back bend again. Exhale, release the arms down to the side. Interlacing the fingers, reversing the palms, raising the arms up over the head. Just side tilt to your right slightly, and then just look up towards under the left arm. And then side tilt to the left and look under the right arm. Just gazing softly. And then come back to center and look up at your hands. And then exhale, release the arms down to the side. Again, raise the arms up over the head. Begin to march in place again. First, start slowly. And then as you start to move a little bit more quickly, just walking a little bit faster, walking a little bit faster. Yes, and then pick up the pace as fast as you can. Go as fast as you can. Almost like you're trying to run a marathon. Yes, yes, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Good, stop both feet on the ground. Inhale, arms up over the head. Yes, exhale, release the arms down to the side. Now this might seem a little bit odd, but I've found jumping is a great way to raise the energy. So you just your arms by your side. I just want you to begin to pick the feet up off the ground. Keep the arms by the side. Keep the feet up off the ground. And hop as high as you can. Hop as high as you can. Hop as high as you can. Good, then hop less, hop less, hop less. And stop. Inhale, your arms parallel to the ground. Bend your knees, bring your fingertips together. Bring your fingertips together. And then jump the feet wide. And then jump back. And then jump out again. And then jump back. 5 more times. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. 5 more times. Out, in, out, in, out, in, and stop. Good. Inhale the arms up over the head, everyone. Good. Make that spine super long. Exhale, bend the knees. Inhale, come up and do another back bend. Good. Exhale, release the arms to the side. Our last oil that we're going to introduce is one of my personal favorites, sacred frankincense. So as you raise the body's energy, as you raise the vibration, we then ground it. So let's take a drop here and a drop for Miss Haley, bringing this into our scent with our scent tent again. And as you stand tall and inhale this beautiful single oil, can there be a sense of gratitude for what our founder, Gary Young, all he had to go through to bring you this amazing oil? And as you have a sense of gratitude, let there be a slight lift of your chest. Beautiful. Exhale, release the arms to the side. That's our sequence for raising the body's energy. I hope you enjoyed it and enjoy the rest of our virtual balance retreat.